So Snehal, since we are going to the classroom, I'm sure the environment is going to be pretty cool out there.
Yes.
I mean, I'm very excited to see, flight path diagrams and a lot of other interesting things.
That's how the classroom. See, the point is, if the classroom is boring, who wants to sit?
Yeah,
Right?
definitely. But will we have students sitting there? I mean, or are they flying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some of them are flying, some of them are seated already.
Okay, so let's go. Yeah, let's go say hi to them.
This is all our students sits, study. Sometimes briefings also happen in the same classroom. So come around, I'll show you little things that we have placed in the classroom which help students to, enhance their knowledge.
This is quite funny. Pilot six pack. I mean, is that a term or is it just a
Well, it's a term.
clever metaphor?
Why is it called six pack? Is like these are the instruments, these are the vital instruments that a pilot requires, assist, navigate, and aviate. And then you see we have something related to the technical stuff. And here, if you come, you'll see the types of flaps we have.
Okay.
I mean, not in this TechNav, but these are the types of flaps usually all the plane has. And this is a small circuit pattern that key, what is your low key, and in case of engine failure. So this is just to revise your stuff.
Okay.
So yeah, and as you see, there's a VFR map we required because currently we are doing VFR flying. So this is our Baramati layout. Okay, which really help us in case of, especially in cross country, we required this. So that's about it.
And guys, why don't you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Thank you.
Yes. Let's head to the next classroom that we have, which is right next to this. So we have a pager in the dispatch, and obviously students are inside the classroom. And whenever they're called for their sorties, they will page their name and they will go to their sorties. So let's head to the BA room.
Yeah.
Very important part of our life.
Yeah.
So first thing, any student arrives here on this land, this is the first place that person hits because that's a very important thing. You cannot afford to miss your BA. So let me just show you around how the BA room looks like and what we do over there.
Sure.
Of course.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
So as you see, this is our team of Redbird who handles the BA since morning 5 till night, I don't know what. So these girls are very hardworking and they're always on their toes because, like I mentioned, this is a very important part of our life. As you see, we have a small screen over here in which everything is recorded, and whenever you do your BA, that is also recorded. And yes, and once you clear your BA, you're good to go.
That's the best place. My weakness. Come and show you.
This is where all the kids sit and have their meal. And you see good ventilation also. And plus AC is also installed in the dining area. People can enjoy the meal like day layout. Khana chai?
Oh, good fun.
Thank you.
Hi, both the camera.
Hi.
We also have again a complaint box here. In case if you have any issue with the meal or anything, you can just simply take out the paper and mark it. Let's go. Alright guys, meet our team. These guys look after us genuinely from their heart. Okay, these guys serve us in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. So meet Shankar and Suraj. So this person I've been seeing forever, okay, and he is always there with his broad smile and serving us. So let's see what we have over here. Yes, please, let's check. Okay. Aloo. और क्या है शंकर जी? और
Rice.
rice,
Dal.
dal.
Chapati.
Okay. Oh, nice. And papad. Wow, I love papad. Do you?
I mean, 5 to 6 items.
Do you want to have one?
I would love that.
Please, one. We need.
Thank you so much.
So there's another canteen that I can see right now. I'll tell you something. There's a small cafe we have.
have options of that.
Yes. So yeah, I mean you can just hit this small cafe that we have, and feels nice. You will see now. People can sit outside. You see, we have a small kitchen here, and he's the pro chef. Trust me, he really makes amazing. क्या बना रहे हो भैया आज? छोले भटूरे भैया जो छोले भटूरे बन रहे हैं. Trust me, I've had it and it's really good.
Most busiest area where people are running around. Okay, instructors sitting, running for their sorties, making an entry for their. I mean, before the flight, we have to make an entry. For that, you cannot. Okay, it's a DTC document. So now I share how it is done. So meet our team member, Pradeen and Touch that. This is where we come here every day, and before we go for our sortie, we have to make an entry, and which I just mentioned earlier. Okay, and you can just see as all the documents is kept here, and there's also a small TV area where everything is captured, all the aircrafts are parked. We have to see what time the aircraft is airborne and what time it has landed. So the time is mentioned over here, chalk on to chalk software. Okay. So yeah, that's a little. So this place where all the instructors sits, discuss, decides who's flying where. Also a resting area for them. Obviously, because they're flying, since morning till evening, so they need a little privacy and little comfort. And this is where they find their comfort. If they are usually here. Right now, there's nobody because all are flying. Otherwise, if you'll come in the evening, it'll be all brushed up. All right. Okay. And that's about it. That's about it. Let's go. Oh, you know what? I actually forgot to mention something, which is I find it very important. Students usually go for their cross countries and obviously general flying, and we had this rule earlier that cell phones are allowed. But now things have changed, and the change is Redbird bought a couple of cell phones, and they can carry their own. I mean, the company phone with them, and just fly
When they are going for cross
Yes,
country.
and for that particular thing, we made this casing where you can place all the phones inside the casing, put it on the charging. As soon as you sign your sortie, take it, put it in the envelope, go for your sortie, come back and drop it. Right now, there are no cell phones because most of them are flying. And soon you'll see it's all like. So the dispatch, now the best part is where the more aircrafts are parked. Majority of them are flying, and majority of them are waiting for the students to arrive and make an entry and go for their flying. Beautiful aircraft. Okay. Can you see this? Look at the prop. Look how massive it looks. This is where we step on and then climb inside.
Oh my god, this is a massive handball.
I know. We have placed all the safety placards on the walls.
An emergency contact number.
Yes. As you see, all emergency contacts mentioned on the board. My favorite aircraft, which I'm going to take it very soon, inside the cockpit and obviously the exterior. No smoking, no cooling, no defusing inside the hangar. Standing outside and ready to depart, and hangar is empty.
All the safety and insurance work.
Yes, everything is done. Yes. Vaishnavi, have you been to EDC?
Yeah, I actually got a chance to go there earlier and I had a tour of the entire place. I got to have a quick chat with Captain Preet as well.
Okay.
And the trainees out there. They're so sweet.
I know, right? It's,
Yeah.
well, that department is very serious department.
Yeah.
You need to keep your eyes and ears and your brain, because listening to ATC continuously makes you insane after a point. You need to have a little break. So for the employee, they have made the proper seating and resting area. I hope you like that too.
Yeah.